Welcome to Review Rumble. The best scratch remover is probably one of the most essential products for any car owner. Scratches and blemishes can ruin the look of your vehicle, but with the right product, you can restore its original shine. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Eelhoe Car Scratch Remover, testing its effectiveness and showing you how it can make your car look brand new again. Number 5. MEGUIAR'S Plastic Restorer, Trim Restorer Kit. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that don't last? This product renews, seals, and protects your car's interior and exterior surfaces. It will keep your car looking great for months. Have you experienced streaks after the first rain? This product repels water and stays looking good. You can finally stop the madness and enjoy a long-lasting finish. Do you hate oily, greasy products that never dry? This product restores and leaves a great finish, but it will completely dry to the touch. It won't ruin your detailing supplies. MEGUIAR'S cares about quality. Their products are made with the latest advancements in science. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The MEGUIAR'S team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, they will do everything to make it right. They are here to help you. What we like. This product is designed to last, unlike many others that fade quickly. It also repels water, ensuring your car looks great even after rain. If you're tired of constantly reapplying and want a long-lasting solution that dries completely, you should consider this. What people say. This is exactly what I wanted to make my vehicle look like new in the areas that are so commonly overlooked, but after this product is applied it can be clearly seen and has that new look effect. My car had ashy black trim from age. Use this as directed and it looks great. It worked, looks good, and after a light rain overnight, still is black. Number 4. MEGUIAR'S Quik Scratch Eraser Kit. Tired of those unsightly scratches on your car? This kit from MEGUIAR'S lets you quickly and easily remove fine scratches and paint blemishes. It's designed to restore your car's finish to like-new condition with minimal effort. This kit utilizes microabrasive technology to erase light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer. You can quickly remove blemishes without hazing. It's a simple solution for anyone to achieve professional results. The included drill-mounted pad and Scratch X do the work for you. This innovative kit is designed to work with any standard electric drill. It makes it easy to get professional results at home. This kit includes everything you need to remove fine scratches and blemishes. It comes with a drill pad for effective application and a microfiber towel to wipe it away. It's a complete solution for your car care needs. The MEGUIAR'S Quik Scratch Eraser Kit is safe on all glossy paints and clear coats. This kit is specifically made to work without damaging your paint. It's the ideal solution for DIY car care. For added protection, beauty, and shine, follow up with a wax like MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Quick Wax or MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Liquid Wax. It will keep your car looking its best. MEGUIAR'S celebrates its 125-year anniversary in 2026. The brand has a long history of providing automotive car and professional-grade solutions. It's a trusted name in car care since 1901. What we like. This kit makes removing scratches incredibly easy, using your drill to do the work. It's an all-in-one solution, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a simple, effective way to remove scratches without needing professional experience, it's the perfect choice. What people say. It removed a good chunk of the damage and made it look a little better. This kit is an absolute winner for removing surface blemishes, oxidation, and light clear coat imperfections like fine swirl marks. Easy to use, made the car door look new again. Number 3. MEGUIAR'S VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover. This product combines cutting power and finishing polish in one formula. It effectively removes light to moderate scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms. It leaves behind a smooth, clear, and high-gloss finish. You won't need any additional polishing steps after using it. This polishing compound is safe for all paint types. You can use it on clear coat, single stage, and ceramic-coated finishes. The formula is silicone-free and safe for repaints. It's also great for car scratch repairs and prepping panels for coating. This scratch remover is easy to use and delivers professional level results. It cuts fast and finishes fine in a single step, saving you time. This product is ideal for car paint scratch repair. It's also great for trucks, RVs, and motorcycles, perfect for detailing enthusiasts and pros. What we like. This product combines cutting and polishing into one step, saving you time and effort. It restores gloss and clarity, leaving a smooth, high-gloss finish. If you like a quick and easy way to remove scratches and restore your car's shine, you should choose this. What people say. The product is easy to use. It works well on removing scratches. It is effective in repairing car scratches. Number 2. 3D1 Scratch and Swirl Remover, USA made. Tired of complicated detailing? This advanced hybrid formula is all you need. It removes swirls, scratches, and oxidation in just one step, bringing your paint back to life. Engineered for enthusiasts and pros, it delivers real paint correction. The Zero Dust formula ensures a clean finish on any paint color, every time. Whether you're working by hand or with a DA polisher, it adapts to your needs. Perfect for daily drivers, classics, and show cars, you'll see and feel the difference. Developed with over 25 years of car care experience, it's proudly made in the USA. Expect high-performance results, whether you're in your garage or a professional shop. Ditch the multi-step systems. This one-step solution saves you time and money. Get pro-level shine and long-lasting protection with just one bottle. What we like. This advanced formula acts as both a cutting compound and finishing polish in one step. It delivers real paint correction with flawless clarity and mirror-like gloss. If you are looking for professional-grade results from a single product, it's the ideal choice. What people say. This product actually works. This product removed all of the swirls with just a tiny bit of effort, leaving behind a very smooth finish. It brings out the vibrancy in old paint and looks like it's been factory clear-coated. Number 1. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew. Are you tired of those unsightly scratches on your car? This product is designed to remove light to medium scratches, swirls, and paint transfer. It will make your vehicle look new again. Worried about damaging your paint? Don't be. This product is safe for all paint colors, whether your car is dark or light. It's designed to restore your car's original shine. This product effectively removes imperfections like swirl marks and water spots. It dramatically improves your vehicle's appearance, making it look sleek and polished. It's formulated with protective resins that seal the repair, providing an even appearance. The clear coat shine won't wash away, ensuring long-lasting results. No professional experience is needed. You can easily apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a machine polisher. It's simple to use and delivers impressive results. Please note that it is not intended for vinyl tops, wood, vinyl wraps, or matte flat paint. Always test it on a small, hidden area first, and keep it away from plastic trim. What we like. This product safely and effectively improves your car's appearance by removing scratches and imperfections. It's formulated with protective resins to seal the repair and provide a lasting shine. If you have light to medium scratches and want an easy-to-apply solution, it's a great option. What people say. This product buffed it out pretty good and saved my paint. It really removes those hairlines of scratches and leaves an vibrant shine on my clear coat of my car. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.